Good morning, children. How are you? I think all of you fine now. Today I am going to revise the lesson. Which lesson? About all about me. What is the name of the lesson? All about me. It is the first lesson in social science. Understood? Today I revise the lesson and also read the classwork. Okay. So children, today you know what is the name of the lesson. You know what is the name of the lesson? All about me. What do you learn in this lesson? You learn about yourself. Understood? What do you learn? About yourself. What is your name? How old are you? In which class you are studying? No. What is the name of your school? In which play you which is the your important playing? What is your hobby? Understood? These are all we learn. It is very important for every child to know about yourself. Understood? You first you learn about the how to write your names, your father name, mother name, and your school name, and also your class teacher name. It is very important for your every child to understand about yourself. So you learn in this lesson about yourself. Understood? So in this lesson they give the two examples. The lesson is explained with two examples. The two children are there. No, there is a Raju and Rani. They are 6 years old. They studying in first standard. School Raju school name is Happy Kids Convent. What is the name of the Raju school name? Happy Kids Convent. He love with cricket. He also love with the drawing and picture. Draw the picture. And also Rani is also studying in first standard. She is also a 6 year old. She is studying in Wonder Kids Convent. She love the dance and sing and also narrating the stories. So in this lesson we learn about with the help of teacher you learn about yourself. Understood? Already I explained what you learn in this lesson in previous class. So now today we read the question answers and hard words, fill in the blanks. Understood? So all of you open the textbook, look at the keywords, children's keywords, which are the important hard words in this lesson. First one is friend. So first you spell and learn the word. First word is friend. You spell the children's Friends. Friends. Understood? Second one is years. 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 Old. 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 School. 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 Fifth one Happy. Happy. Next name. Study. Study. Class. Class. Good. Good. Story. Story. 11th one cricket. Cricket. Dance. Dance. Sing. Sing. Black. Black. Ice. Ice. Understood? These are all the keywords. First you learn the spelling of all these words, then you easily read the lesson. Understood? So children, once again I read the all keywords. Look at the page. Friends, years, old, school, happy, name, study, class, good, story, cricket, dance, sing, black, eyes. Understood? These are all the important keywords in the lesson. Next, what do you learn in next? What do you learn next? You learn next. Second main, look at the statement and write yes or no. Understood? I have blue or green eyes. I have blue or green eyes. You write. You have a blue or green eyes. You have blue eyes or green eyes. Write yes. Otherwise, you write no. Understood? You write no. 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 I am tall. If you have tall, you write yes. Otherwise, no. I have short ears. Yes. My hair is curly. No. I like painting. Yes. I love to play with my friends. Yes. I feel sad when I break the toys accidentally. That is yes. I love to watch cartoon. Yes. Understood? So now next you learn fill in the blanks about all about me. In this lesson they are about the Raju and Rani. So Raju's age dash. What is the age of Raju? 6. Spell this word SIX 6. Class in which he is studying first standard. First standard STANDARD standard. Name the school he is studying. In which school Raju is studying? Happy Kids School. HAPPY Happy Kid. Kids. KIDS Kids. Convent. 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 Next. What is next? Name. Wait, childrens. Name of the game he loves. Which game Raju loves? Cricket. Spell CRICKET. Cricket. He is good at drawing. DRAWING. Understood? So drawing. Next another fill in the blanks about Rani. Rani says is dash. What is the age of Rani? 6. SIX. Class in which she is studying? First standard. Name the school she is studying? Wonder Kids Convent. Understood? WONDER. Wonder. Kids. 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 Convent. CONVENT. Name the game she loves? Dancing and singing. Dancing. DANCING. Dancing and singing. 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 Understood? These are all the important filling the blanks about Raju and Rani. So, she is good at narrating stories. Narrating. Spell madi. NARATING. Narrate. Stories. STORIES. Understood? Children, once again I tell you, read the keywords, fill in the blanks with spelling. Understood? Next easily read the lesson. Understood? Whatever you read, you must spell and read. Read the words. Understood? Next, answer the following by yourself. First, you will know about how to write the name. What is your name? Answer. My name is dash. Dash. You fill your name. Understood? What is your father's name? Also, children, first you practice your father's name and write here. Next, what is your mother name? You also learn your mother name and spell. Next, you write your mother's name. Where do you stay? You stay at home. Understood? These are the practice for yourself. Understood? I think once again I tell you, practice the all the words, fill in the blanks in your rough note 3 or 4 times. Understood? Then you ready to, very easy to write the question answers in test or exam. Understood? You practice all this in rough note. Next you are easy to read the lesson. Okay, I think all of you understand about the lesson. Next class I continue the lesson. Till now, take care, be safe, goodbye. Thank you, children.